Okay, so after more than a week, here I am, still stalling time. I know I should do the multi-tenancy that would be presented this Friday. I was given 2 weeks or so, 2 weeks, yeah, whole 2 weeks, and nothing happened. This is actually the mm, day 10 or 9. I think day 10 because the last re-demo was here, here, 13. So it was like a week, 8, 9, yeah, day 9, 10, 11. I have only, say, 2 days, less than 2 days because it's already past morning. And if I don't start now, I don't know. Here, I just play Dota, more Dota, uh, watch anime. Anyway, let's do this challenge. This challenge just keeps me up. Even though I'm keeping this up, I know this is not enough because the time I spent here is like 20 minutes or so. 10 to 20 minutes. It's not really enough. Then after this, the whole day was like stalling time, uh, unproductive. So here we can see three rectangles. One is horizontal and two is vertical. Then it has a half circle within or just beside the top and the bottom of this horizontal rectangle. So let's create this first, the horizontal rectangle in the middle. Uh, let's name this hor for horizontal. That represents as a class. So here we can say class hor like that and position its center. Position absolute margin auto. I just want you to know this is how you center an element or a rectangle. Position absolute, margin auto, and put all sides to uh, 0. Their values, all sides, like that. And yesterday night at night, I just discovered while scrolling on Facebook or YouTube. I think I forgot the platform, but instead of using this, you can just say inset. So technically, these four lines. This one line can make up to 4 lines if you don't put them in just one line. So we can just say we can convert this into a single line of code, and let me show you the difference. Like this, I will remove this, and you can just say inset 0. Don't ask me, I don't really know what's happening here, but for me it works like similar to the all sides set to 0. But anyway, let's keep this. uh, let's put background color to this yellow thing, this one. Of course, this is for the body selector. Then the color of this rectangle, the square is this one, orange, and the size of the width is a whole the whole screen. So the whole screen is 300 pixel, 400 I mean, and the width, the height is, let's estimate this, 50, 40. Okay, 40 is enough, and let's create these two vertical lines on the left and right. So just say here ver 1 and ver 2. So for the ver 1, excuse me, let's copy this horizontal and rename this ver 1. The height is the whole screen, no, the whole screen is 300 pixel and the half is 150. So let's try that, 150, and the width is like 40, and put this on the corner, in the top left corner. So the bottom 0, it's hot. Okay, put some negative here to move this to the top, negative value, and also this one, negative value, 300, 400, 370, okay, 360, okay, 360 is enough, and copy this one. Let's do this for the vertical too. Instead of sitting on the top right, this one sits on the bottom right. I mean, instead of top left, this one is on the bottom right. So we can just invert these values so that it would symmetric to this first vertical rectangle. So all that being said, uh, let's create this circle or this blobby thing here. So we can put here, copy this one, C1. So let's name it C1. Copy, copy, copy. So this is 2, 3, 4. Copy these 4 circles. Oops. This is not yet circles because I didn't style this 8 circles. So now let's style this. Not yet circles. So here I can just say C1 that has a width of maybe 25 and height also 25 because circles have the same size on the sides, and circles are just rectangles that has same size. So the background, let's put this white first so that we can see it. Now that it has the background color, what's next? Why isn't it showing? Maybe the center this one, this, okay, now it's showing. Like I said earlier, you can just replace this to inset 0, but not for now because we are not used to using this is just for center. We want to control the position of these circles. They are scattered in the middle horizontally. So what we can do here is to adjust the size and make a border so that it would be a circle. It would be have diameter. Border radius. Okay. Then guess my circle is a bit small. Let's add. Then push this a bit to the top, like so. White is, I can't really see white. Change this to black for now, so that we can clearly see this. Come. Okay. Let's move this to the left side a bit. Just like the. Okay. I guess that's perfect. So copy this one and rename this to C2. Instead of 40, we can 80. Oh, the horizontal position, the vertical position is alright. We just need to move this to the left side. So here, we would like to adjust this. Okay. Then copy this one. So now this C3 would sit on here on the right side of the C1. Let me first invert this positive 40. 40. Oh no. 200. 200 is too far. What's the formula here? 60. 160. So let's add here 160. Maybe 120. Yeah, 120. Alright. I got the formula. Just add this value, add it 160. So this we are talking here about pixel. The measurement is pixel. So 120 pixel plus 160 is equivalent to 80 plus 1 is 280. 280. Okay, we have these 4 circles on top. Let's also do this on the bottom. Just copy this one and paste. Of course, let's start for the first 4. This is 5. Rename this copied circle 7 and lastly 8. And the main difference here is that they are sitting on the bottom, and also aside from that they are on the a bit of right side, left, a bit on the left. So we can invert this. Yeah. Okay, let's just invert this all the way here. Invert. All positives make negative, and all negative just make it positive. And here's the final. Okay, let's just, for the final touch, we will change the color from black to this orange one. To select all black instance here, just Control L, Control Shift L. That's bad. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. Brown. Okay, let's check. Now